The following message is transmitted at the request of United States government. This is not a test, I repeat. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to Omega Sigma, Ultratino freaking end. The void is very deadlier. The Earth will swallowed by black hole in January 72038. You do following instructions, gather your friends, family and prepare for final time on Earth. And we will play national anthem.